We decided to enter the core values. My team and I come up with an idea to do an integrated engagement piece for the Sunshine Coast. We went out with 4 projects in one engagement phase, which apparently had never been done before. But yeah, just to give the community the full picture of everything that was going on the Sunshine Coast, how all these projects connected in with each other. There's a lot of confusion on the coast that it was one project or the other, whereas all of these projects were a priority. They were all needed to kind of benefit each other. So yeah, we decided it was a worthwhile candidate for the IAP2 awards. So yeah, we decided to submit. Our integrated engagement was about a multimodal approach, so it wasn't just a road or a public transport project. We had 2 road projects, a public transport project, as well as a heavy rail project. So really showing how the coast or the Sunshine Coast needs a multimodal approach. It's not just, we can't just fix a road and it fixes the whole network issues. It's about getting that behaviour change, the mode shift, getting people to understand there's other ways to travel around other than just via road. We had a lot of challenges, being the first that this had ever been done, not just in transport and main roads, but for Queensland Government, where we went out for an integrated approach. One of the biggest challenges we had was internally. Transport and main roads is quite a large department made up of 5 divisions. These projects covered 3 divisions, which normally would never work together. So we had different approval processes, different teams that we needed to convince. So yeah, one of the biggest challenges internally. Secondly, externally, communicating it to the community. They'd never seen anything like this. They got a bit confused whether it was a vote off and things like that. So, but once they started to understand what we were trying to do, it was really well received. They could understand the full picture of what was happening. They wouldn't be able to provide full feedback because they don't understand about what's happening near a project that they're providing feedback for. So they were able to fully understand, provide feedback for all of the projects as a whole and totally understand what was going on. The most rewarding would be, I guess, the team bond it created amongst all the teams, but also the positivity of the community. We had information sessions, and usually a lot of the community come and leave unsatisfied because they couldn't get all the answers. It's the first time we've seen probably 99% of the community leave satisfied, fully informed, had all their questions answered. So yeah, it was a really big satisfaction piece, seeing so much positivity leave an information centre.